The Titan 575 HP from HydroMaster does more than clean faster, clean deeper, and reduce drying times. It transforms the image you provide to your customer by your investment into one of the finest cleaning powerhouses ever constructed. It's a cleaning beast for sure, but after you install it and your customers see it work, it will boost your business to a new level. Now, the Titan 575 HP is not just a carpet cleaning machine. It does even more. It's a complete mobile surface cleaning plant, built for growth, flexibility, durability, and profitability. This includes heated pressure washing and dual wand capable hard surface and textile surface cleaning, all as a standard feature. What enhancements have been introduced with the new Titan 575 HP? Now standard on the 2026 Titan 575 HP, 2000 PSI heated pressure washing capability. This upgrade unlocks a major new revenue stream for operators by allowing you to expand into heated pressure washing, hard surface and exterior cleaning, fleet, shop, and equipment washdowns, as well as tile, concrete, luxury vinyl plank, and stone restoration. What makes this possible? First, the stainless steel engine and blower exhaust heat exchanger. It has been upgraded to stainless steel for higher heat tolerance, durability, and pressure. This enables consistent heated water at 2000 psi. Stainless steel construction means it is built for long-term reliability in high-demand applications. Second, the GP high-pressure chemical pump. This is a commercial-grade GP pump. It has a no diaphragm design, which leads to less service, less maintenance, and a longer life. This pump is built to handle continuous high-pressure operation. In addition, the Titan 575 HP exhaust system now also comes standard with Cerakote ceramic coating. This ceramic coating on all exhaust components reduces radiant heat inside the van, lowers internal ambient temperatures, protects surrounding components, and extends the lifespan of belts, hoses, wiring, and electronics. The Cerakote coating results in a cooler van, longer component life, and fewer service issues. Key features of the Titan 575 HP include a liquid-cooled Kubota 32.5 HP engine, a reliable engine that now includes an extended 3-year manufacturer's warranty, a stainless steel multi-stage heat exchanger which captures exhaust heat. This stainless steel construction allows higher pressure setting and provides longer life. The high-pressure piston chemical pump provides limited heat, high pressure, and lower maintenance than less expensive diaphragm pumps. Uncompromising cleaning solution temperature. Best-in-class performance whether you are using a single wand, dual wand cleaning, or hard surface cleaning. It creates unwavering heated solution from 230 degrees Fahrenheit to 265 degrees Fahrenheit under normal carpet cleaning conditions, as well as best-in-class performance under high-flow demand cleaning. The Dominator Tri-Lobe vacuum blower creates up to 400+ CFM for better extraction and faster drying. The patented heat control system uses the ADC control diverter, which manages heat for more consistent temperature and eliminates of dumping fresh water into your waste tank during cleaning or water extraction. The Cerakote exhaust coating retains more internal heat, less radiant heat, and a higher level of corrosion protection. This beast of a machine is fully dual wand capable. It is plumbed and prepared for you to double your productivity when you need to. The Titan 575 HP transforms your cleaning business into a complete surface cleaning operation with relentless performance. Invest in your unlimited future. Upgrade your cleaning and restoration capabilities. The Titan 575 HP.